Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today I have a very special product I want to share with you. So, are you sick of a spider, bear, bugs, and all this kind of stuff? This product here will take care of this in 3 to 4 weeks. So basically, all you have to do it and install it, and doesn't need any refill, doesn't have anything to do. So all you have to do is just open this box, plug this to your outlet, and you're all good to go. So this is how it's gonna look like, and there is a button here on the side. You click that, and this light basically here, this light will turn on, and that's how you know it's on. So, and what this does, basically they have like a wave electronic, like that just comes from inside here. It's just like the waves, it repel all the best from your house, like the spider, bugs, mice, everything that you think about. It's very safe for human and pets. So if you have a dog, cat, whatever at home, it's not gonna affect it at all. And this thing here is amazing because you're not just getting one in the box, but you're also getting two. And this two can cover basically your half of your house. So if you have like a living room and a dining room, this will take care of the whole entire upstairs or downstairs. And it comes with two of them, so you don't need to get any extra. But if you want extra protection, you can just buy more. So yeah, you know, that's all you have to do. Just buy it and just put it there. And I have this manual here. And this manual here will show you exactly what to do. And there's the directions here, and it tell you cover from 600 to 800 square foot. So it's a bigger room. It will take care of all the best. And this brand here is amazing. It's called Everpest, and this ultrasonic, it's plug-in home and for just indoor. If you want to put it outdoor, make sure it's protected from raining, and it can work outside as well. I hate mosquitoes, so I got this from Amazon. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.